Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahul qawli. Before I start our topic today, let me introduce myself first. My name is Salwa Fatharani. You can call me Salwa. I'm from 11 Science 4 and I'm study at Senior High School Muhammadiyah 2 of Surabaya. And now in this video, I'm going to solving the variation of polynomial division. Polynomial can be solved by four ways. They are Prokapit, and then Horner-Kino, and then the rest theorem, and polynomial equation. Let's start the question number 1.
Polynomial fx, x power 3 plus 2x power 2 minus px plus q, if divided by 2x minus 4 have the rest 16, while divided by x plus 2 have the rest 20. So the value of 2p plus q is, the first way you must write down the function of fx. Let's see. Then, next statement, if divided by 2x minus 4, have the rest 16. If divided by 2x minus 4, having the rest 16. While divided by x plus 2, have the rest 20. If divided with x plus 2, having the rest 20. What is the value of 2p plus q? As I mentioned earlier, there are four ways how to solving the polynomial. In the question number 1, I'm going to using the rest theorem. The rest theorem statement said that the value of polynomial is same like the value of the rest. So, in this question, we must find what is the value of the rest, then we put it in the function. Let's see. 2x minus 4 equals 0. 2x, it moves in here, so it's going to be 4. And then x 4 divided to 2. If you write down f2, it's gonna be have the rest 16, right? And then x plus 2 equals 0. X it's moved in here, so it's gonna be minus 2. And f minus 2 have the rest 20. Then put the value of the rest into the function of fx. So it's gonna be like this. First, f2 2 power 3 plus 2 power 2 minus equals 16. Why? Because f2 have the rest 16. Then we calculate them. Then the second, in here, f minus 2, so it's gonna be, then we calculate them. Minus 8 plus 2p plus q equal 20. 0, then p plus q equal 20. From this way, we can find the value of 2p plus q, right? Where is the value of 2p plus q? Yes, you are right, 20, because from this. Minus 2p plus q is not required by the equation. If we take a conclusion, so the value of 2p plus q is 20. Next, the question number 2. Look the question number 2. There are if px, x power 3 minus 12x plus ka divisible by x minus 2, then it is possible divided by k. The first way, you must write down the function of px. Then, the next statement, divisible by x minus 2. If divisible x minus 2, it's gonna be x equal to. Then, we must put the value of 2 into px to find the value of ka, right? So, it's gonna be like this. Equals 0. 8 minus 24 plus ka equals 0. Minus 16 plus ka equals 0. Ka, it moved in here, so it's gonna be 16. We had already find the value of ka. So, if I write down the complete function of px, it's gonna be like this. So, the complete function of px is x power 3 minus 12x plus 16 because k has the value 16. Then, in this question, I'm going to use the Horner way. Do you know Horner? The Horner way, the first way, you must write down the line, something like this. And then, in this space, you can write down the divider. X divided by 2, right? And then, you write down the coefficient of the x. X power 3 have the coefficient 1, and then power 2, there is no power 2, so 0. Then power 1 having the value minus 12. Then power 0 having the value 16. The ordinary ways, the first you must write down the number 1 in here. And then it times with 2 in here. Then the result is in here. This is plus. So 0 plus 2, it's gonna be 2, and then 2 times 2, it's gonna be 4, minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8, and then minus 8 times 2, it's gonna be minus 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. We have the value of 1, 2, and minus 8. What for? Okay, let's see. We are now in the polynomial equation, there are px, qx times hx plus sx, right? If there are functions having the power m, then it is divided by power n, then the result is m minus n. While sx, it means that the rest having the value of maximum n minus 1. So, if the function having power 3, while divided with x minus 2, power 1, what is the power of each x? Yes, you are right. The power is 3 minus 1, having power 2. So, the value in here is the result of the function px. So it's gonna be like this: 1, 2 minus x squared plus 2x minus 8. Then factor it, x 4, 2 plus minus. Why? Because it is possible divided by. So this and this, it is one of the factor of this function. So the answer is E. Yes, you are right. The answer is E.
Okay, that's all from me. I hope you can learn something from this video. Sorry for the mistake and thank you for your kind attention. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.